Dr. David Fabi here, orthopedic surgeon, hip and knee replacement specialist here in lovely San Diego. So with regard to knee replacements, the product that I use, the company that I use is Smith and Nephew. It's their Journey to Implant. And why I love it, for a variety of reasons, but first and foremost, it's recreating the normal motion of the knee, okay? So a normal knee just doesn't move like a hinge. It's classified the knee as a hinge joint, but the normal knee actually rolls back as you bend your knee. So the implant that I use, the Journey to Implant, recreates that normal motion. And if you have the normal motion, that optimizes your result for that patient. I've been using it for about 6 years, and I'm very happy with it because, first and foremost, my patients are happy with it. So what does a knee replacement entail in terms of surgery? So imagine that this is the end of your bone, the end of your thigh bone, the femur. We're not cutting up off the bone here. We're essentially shaping the edges of the bone to fit the implant. So the implant will fit like this. We're cutting out the arthritis. We're cutting out that rough cartilage surface and replacing it with a smooth metal implant. We do the same thing on the shin bone and then place a plastic liner in between the implants. So it's a surgery that takes an hour to 2 hours and, just keeps getting better and better. It's already excellent.